Self-mastery doesn't require magic bullets. It demands wisdom, ancient, enduring wisdom, the kind that survived empires and still speaks, even now. From a Roman emperor like Marcus Aurelius to a humble slave turned philosopher, Epictetus. These are the 11 timeless lessons that will change how you see your life. 1. Contentment is wealth. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus. What does it mean to be rich? To the Stoic, it's not a number, it's a state of mind. Look around. How many chase more but feel emptier with every gain? And how many live simply yet feel full? To want less, to need less, is to be truly wealthy. As Epictetus said, even the master of the world is poor if he still feels lack inside. Contentment is not surrender. It's power, the power to be free even in chains.
Don't worry over things beyond your control. You can't control the weather. You can't control the economy. You can't control what others think or say. So why worry? Worry is the illusion of control, the body flinching at shadows it can't touch. What you can control is your response, your breath, your focus, your next step. Happiness doesn't bloom in chaos. It blooms in surrender, not to fate, but to truth. Let go of what's not yours to hold, and you'll find peace waiting in your open hand. To be excellent, you must first be average and have the courage to look foolish along the way. The path to mastery is paved with broken attempts, embarrassment, and persistence. Let go of pride. Let go of perfection. Dare to be bad, so one day you can be great. To learn, you must be humble. Pride builds walls. Humility opens doors. If you already believe you know, then what room is left to grow? The humble man listens, he questions, he changes, and in doing so, he becomes wise. Accept correction without shame. Welcome knowledge with open hands. The ego resists, but the soul, it thirsts to learn. Talk less, listen more. Wisdom isn't loud, it's quiet, it listens. Anyone can talk, few truly hear. When you listen, you understand, you learn, you connect. And when you speak less, your words carry more weight. So stop filling silence, start learning from it. Avoid blame, like the plague. Blame is a trap, a poison disguised as justice. It wastes energy, clouds judgment, and delays change. Want to grow? Take responsibility, not for everything, but for your response to everything. Blame delays progress. Ownership creates it. 7. Know your outcome. Imagine a captain setting sail with no destination. Where will he end up? If you don't name your goal, you'll never know when you arrive. Be honest. What do you want? What kind of life do you desire? Clarity isn't luxury. It's necessity. Define your outcome. Then get to work. 8. Associate with champions. Your circle shapes you. Choose it wisely. Some people drain your strength. Others amplify it. Find those who raise your standards, whose actions challenge you to rise. Avoid those who pull you down with gossip, blame, or bitterness. You become like the people you spend time with, so spend wisely. 9. Your reactions shape your destiny. Events are neutral. Reactions give them meaning. A setback can break one man and forge another. You are not defined by what hits you, but by how you rise. Response is power. Response is destiny. 10. Don't let people control you. When someone controls your emotions, they control you. Would you hand over your freedom to someone you don't respect? Then why hand over your peace? They're not worth your mind, not worth your power, not worth your joy. Let go, return to yourself. 11. Hardship makes you stronger. Strength is not built in comfort. It's built in storms. Heracles wasn't great despite hardship. He was great because of it. You are no different. The trials you face are shaping your character. Pain can break you, or it can build you. You choose. There is a hero inside you, waiting. And every struggle is the path to summon it. These lessons from Epictetus aren't just ideas. They are weapons. They are shields. They are ancient truths for modern strength. Let them guide you. Let them ground you. Let them free you.